Guys, ganito naman siya sa Spain. Sobrang init. Tingnan guys. Cover, full cover. It's very hot. Oh, wow. Guys, ang ganda ng view. Pero sobrang init. So, sa mga gustong magpunta sa Spain, if you want to visit different castles, you know, it's a big no-no during summertime because it's very, very hot. Oh, wow. Lovely, right? Amazing.
I said sit.
Hey guys. El Castillo de Denia. Wow, look at that. $1609. Welcome to Denia Castle. Going. Okay guys, ikutin na natin ang castle ng Denia. Pero sobrang init guys. Time check 12. At naka tsinelas lang si Catherine na tapilok si Inday. Oh, wow, my love. Oh, wow.
Might be too hot for them though.
Yeah. Oh, very,
Not
very.
that hot. I mean, it's warm, but
Yeah, it's warm and humid. I am sweating. That's the whole view of Denia.
okay, my love, I'm gonna go up there.
Okay, me too.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Up.
So, panoramic view. What, my love? Guys, mahirap ang daanan. Oh. Kaya, dapat...
And we should have probably worn better shoes.
Exactly. And wearing sleepers.
Than your slippers. And you slipped.
It's not... Okay, so...
Apple pie with Heidelberry.
Going there. What is there? I love that one. How do you call that one?
A building? I don't know. What are you calling?
No, the one that like you're telling to the world, I'm the king. Hey everyone, I gather you to listen the good news.
Oh, yes.
So the good news is
you all have to pay me and I do nothing.
Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Right? Okay.
Easy, my love.
So guys, nagpunta kami ng Calpe kahapon. Naisipan ko, sabi ko, since along the way ang Denia, sabi ko, we are going to explore the castle. But it's 12 o'clock, almost 12:30. It's super duper hot. And I'm wearing sleepers, the flip-flops, which is not good for this trail. I slipped already. Okay, this one is closed. We're going up there. My love, I'm going up already. Okay, so dahil video is live, vlogging is live, Tiis ganda tayo. May dalang ano si Catherine. Pag sobrang init, to, pag Pilipino, balot. Pag mainit, pag ibang lahi, nagbibilad sila sa araw to get tan. Pag Filipino, balot. Well, we're walking under the pine trees. It's so ayan siya, guys. Okay. Here. Pasyal ko lang kayo. Ayan na. Para at least mayroong shade siya. My love, the entrance is 3 euros each. So, the entrance fee is 3 euros for adult. For senior citizen is 2 euros. So, dapat wala walking, going there. Okay, that's the sea.
Right next to you.
Really? Oh no.
No, I'm joking.
Okay, going up there. Okay, guys. Pasok na tayo dito. Pagkagaling doon sa staircase ba tawag dyan. Pasok tayo dito. Diyos ko naman. Si Catherine, wala sa ano. So, ayan siya, guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ganda niyan, guys, oh. Tingnan niya. Ah, good. Ginit. Pag Pinoy talaga. So, mali talaga ang footwear ni Catherine. Kasi delikado yung ano, yung rocks. Are we going up? And that may ano. Okay. Pwede, sabi ko, pwede palang mag-drive dito, going up ito, oh. Pero nagpark kami sa baba. Kasi naglakad lang kami ng mga 300 meters going up. Pero dahil mainit, guys, parang mas gusto kong kotse na lang. At saka, guys, tingnan nyo, pakita ko sa inyo. Naka beach flip-flops na si Inday. So, dito na lang kasi may mga tao. Ayan, kita nyo yung sea. That's the ocean over there. Ganda, guys, oh. Kita nyo yung dagat doon. Wow, love that shades, huh? Oh, you can see. No English? Wow, look at those mountains over there, so nice. Ito mga, parang may mga marks doon, oh, tingnan nyo. Siguro mga important, ano yan. Yan doon. Yung ruins. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. Look at that view. And then here. Ganda, guys. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Welcome to Dania. So, bawal na dyan. Ruins. Pero ganda. Okay, these small pieces here probably is part of the castle. Kaya may mga pupo na ibon. That one too. El Palau del Duque. Wow. Here. Small pieces here. And my goodness. Ang ganda guys, diba? Ang ganda. Ganda ng puno na to guys, oh. Kinip nila dito. At least may shades. Kasi sobrang init. Hindi maganda mamasyal dito guys. Pag summer. Pero pag hindi summer, siguro ma-enjoy mo. Okay guys. Kapag Filipino, kailangan nating magtago sa ilalim ng under the shade. Under the shade. Because it's very, very hot. So, ito yung the fourth castle that we visited. The Chatiba Castle is good, but the Magdalena de Popis is the interesting one because we have to drove through the mountains and it has also an amazing view. But here also with the sea, but the weather is so hot. Like and subscribe. Okay guys, going down. Nice, very nice view. Oh my goodness. Yeah?
I don't want to go down.
Which one? Ah, there's a way going down?
Yeah, go there.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you. We're good. I'm
That's
good.
the marina. There, my love, I have walked that pathway going there many times.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Guys, hindi na kami ikot sa right. Ginit. It's our quick visit. Oh. Very nice. Okay, going down. Extra careful or kailangan pag nagpasyal talaga proper shoes.
Less what?
Less accident. Because wearing slippers, flip-flops, it's not correct if you are walking and then this kind of trail. Oh, look at those. You see. So this must be parts of the castle. We're heading down. Kanina doon tayo umakyat sa kabila. Nakita niyo. Papunta doon, paikot. Tapos ito pababa. Sakit sa paa guys. Natapilok ako. Sakit sa paa. Gali yung attire ni Catherine. Tapos video for more. Diyos ko naman. May video for more. Ayan na guys. Doon tayo nagpunta kanina. Doon tayo pumasok. Tapos paikot. Doon paakyat. Tapos pababa. Yeah. Makit kami doon. That's the entrance. Mura lang dito, 3 euros. Sa Chativa, 6 euros. Like and subscribe for more videos. Kung saan nyo gustong mamasyal kami sa Spain. Wow, taray. Traveler yan. Adventure. Ang ganda guys, no? Hot. Déjame en este rincón. I was here and I put my foot here alone. And now, a year after, Santissima Trinidad. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, ang ganda ng may mga flowers. Kasi sa kabila kami nag-entrance. Ayan yung buong castle. Bababa na kami, going to the parking. So, ayun lang po ang pasyal natin sa Castle de Denia. Guys,